Here's a little secret. If you resonate more with being an extroverted person, these fragrances can bring out the most reflective, thoughtful, problem-solving side of you. So if you want to feel this way, keep on watching. My BFF, hello. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I took out from my collection 10 fragrances that are perfect for introverts. They make me feel thoughtful, reflective, creative. They make me enjoy my time alone even more. The first fragrance we have is from Christian Louboutin Loubirouge. The bottle looks like the inside of an introvert, and the scent itself looks like the outside of an introvert. When you first meet them, they are super simple, but on the inside, it's mind-blowing. The bottle, my boyfriend said that it looks like the devil's bottle because it's red and with this heel on. The heel here is the globe, and it sits on top of Paris in France. The scent has 3 notes: cardamom, iris, and vanilla. It's very minimalistic. I imagine I am wearing this one going to a gala, and I have a black dress, classy outfit, nothing that stands out. Loubirouge is like the introverted version of Atelier des Ors Lune Féline. They are made by the same perfumer, Marie Salamane, and they both have that sensuality, but this one makes it 100x more powerful. This one is super classy and elegant and understated. Next, we have from Jovoy, Remember Me. It's one of my bedtime scents. It has milk, some citruses, tea, frangipani, vanilla. It's so beautiful. The story that I imagine, I am sitting at a cafe somewhere outside and I'm having a chai latte. Next to me there is a frangipani bush, and I look over and I can see the Taj Mahal. It's so beautiful and very calming. A hug in a bottle, perfect for an introvert. Jovoy, Remember Me. Next fragrance is from Xerjoff or Sospiro. I have the Sospiro version. It's Opera. The notes of this are a little bit all over the place. It has ylang-ylang, woody notes, sandalwood, leather, fruity notes. You could not tell by the notes how it smells, and it is very interesting. It's being compared to Ange Demon from Givenchy. I can see that it's very luxurious. It has a woody twist. It is powerful. I think it's another experience that not everyone will understand. And I imagine wearing this easy one going to the opera. It's very assertive. It's not mass appealing. I don't think so. I don't think everyone will like it. My boyfriend said it smells like an elevator after an old lady just left it. But the old lady is very put together. She has a lot of makeup on, green makeup on her eyes. Maybe that's me in the future. I still love it. It's an assertive, introverted, beautiful fragrance. Opera from Sospiro or Xerjoff. Next fragrance is from Armani Prive, Ambre Eccentrico. Such a beautiful amber. It has notes of amber, of course, dried fruits, prune oil, cinnamon, tonka bean. I imagine this as a warm bread just out of the oven, and you break it in half and you have that steam coming out. This is the abstract version of it. Very cozy. I like to wear it when I want to feel comforted, and especially in the winter. It's very luxurious, like all the Armani Prive ones. It is not a beast. It stays close to the skin. And I love it for that reason. We have another fragrance that stays close to the skin. It's like the introverts, they're hard to crack. It's from Givenchy, Enflammé. This is very understated, glass in a bottle. It has 3 notes, 3 main ones: coffee, tobacco, and vanilla. It's such a beauty. I like to wear it in the colder months. It's minimalistic, but perfectly done. This smells almost like a dark chocolate, 80% cocoa with coffee. It's delicious and classic. Givenchy Enflammé. Next fragrance that is more on the quiet side, perfect for an introvert, is from Penhaligon's Changing Constance. I love the bottles. I love the fragrance inside. I don't love the longevity. I just wait for it to grow up. Changing Constance has notes of caramel, salt, pimento, cardamom, tobacco. So beautiful, perfectly blended. I love it as a caramel scent. I like to wear it for going to bed or whenever I don't want to blow someone's mind out. Just want to feel cozy and relaxed and enjoy my scent bubble. A beautiful caramel scent. Changing Constance from Penhaligons. Changing Constance from Penhaligons is being compared to Loubirouge. I can see that a little bit because they both have cardamom, but they are totally different with the vanilla. This one is caramel in a bottle. This one is more iris and cardamom. Next fragrance we have is from Masque Milano, Lost Alice. This is very special. I took it with me in Kuala Lumpur earlier this year and I did the unboxing there. It has notes of carrot, black pepper, milk, sandalwood, iris, tea, a little bit of rose. And this is a luxurious experience. I have another fragrance coming up that could be considered another luxurious experience. All of them are actually. And on my skin, it's not very milky, it's more powdery, and I get a lot of sandalwood in the dry down. And I would also wear this for going out when I don't want to bother anyone, just want to enjoy the experience in my own scent bubble. Beautiful one, Masque Milano Lost Alice, so perfect for an introvert or when you want to feel thoughtful, reflective, smart. Next fragrance is from Fragrance du Bois, Santal Complete. This is the other luxurious experience that I have. It has sandalwood, coconut, some citruses on top, black pepper, vanilla, and some violet. And the way this smells, I can also smell a little bit of salt, some sandalwood, coconut, and salt. And I imagine the most luxurious experience. I am at a spa wearing a white cotton fluffy robe, and I'm all ready to get pampered. The second last fragrance we have in our list today is from Maison Noir, Somnia, which som means sleep in Romanian. It's plumeria vanilla. It has notes of vanilla, plumeria, which is frangipani, ambergris, amber, some musk. It's a very special vanilla. I like it. It's a 2023 release. You know what I discovered? That it's actually pretty similar, sister, same scent profile with vanilla powder from Matiere Premiere. This one has the frangipani with vanilla and vanilla powder has coconut with vanilla, but I find them very similar. This is super powdery. It smells almost like a book. My favorite book growing up was a book with tales, Asian tales, and I loved it very much. This reminds me of that scent, that old book scent, and when my mom was reading me stories. And the last scent, and maybe the most powerful, it is powerful, but the introverts are also powerful. And it is from Nishan Ani. This has some strength. It gives me strength. And I think it is perfect for an introvert or someone that wants to feel very thoughtful and intellectual. It has a million notes: ginger, citruses, pink pepper, vanilla, ambergris, blackcurrant. It's all blended in a way that it's vanilla, but the opening is very harsh. And I think it has some sadness, something introspect in it. And the story and the name, Ani is a medieval Armenian city in Turkey. It's at the border between Turkey and Armenia. It's protected by UNESCO, and you can also find it as Ani ruins. What they have behind the perfume is so beautiful. They said that the only limitation is the imagination of people. And the purpose of this is to ruin any border between people and to inspire the wearer to build everything back, even if their life is in ruins. How fantastic is that? I wear this to work, and whenever I wear it, if I have a challenge during the day, this makes me pull through. It's really magical and it's one of the best vanillas, but you need to be patient with it. I didn't like it at first. It's a wearing experience, just like the introverts. On the outside, they seem something. And then when you discover them, they are super, super complex and easy to lose. The first time I took a personality test, I was in high school and I got so upset because my results came in and I was an introvert. And my best friend told me, I am friends with Andrea because she's the life of the party and I can go out with her. And I'm friends with you, Giorgio, because you are so thoughtful and you give so good advices and you never judge me. I felt so used and upset. I also wanted to be an extrovert and the soul of the party. In the meantime, I discovered that if I accept it, we have so many strengths. I am fascinated by personalities. If you want to go and take the test, let me know which one is your personality type. Myself, I am an INFJ, which means I am an advocate. And it's super interesting when I took the test and I could really relate to the strengths and the weaknesses. And it helped me understand myself and see what I can use in my advantage, the areas I can improve. And what I found interesting is that it says for my personality that I am an introvert, intuitive, and I also rely a lot on feelings. My purpose is to help others, save the world, and they also give other similar people that have this personality, and they have Nelson Mandela and Mother Teresa, Lady Gaga. It's a little overwhelming when you read that, but if you are curious, take the test, it's free, and let me know below which one is your personality type. And I also took the color personality test, which I found out about from Tammy Roxanne. She has a wonderful channel about perfumes. Check out her channel. I will link Tammy's channel down below. She's a sweetheart and her videos are so beautiful. And my personality type on that color test is blue, which means I am loyal, romantic, idealistic, empathetic. And the second one was orange. Let's not make it a 1 hour video. I find the personality tests super interesting. If you take the personality test and you read, take everything with a grain of salt. It's just guidance. You have there the areas of improvement. Take the parts that you think serve you. And at the end of the day, you can be all the personalities combined. It's up to you. You have your freedom and you can turn everything into reality. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Before I go, I want to leave you with a quote from Stephen Hawking. Quiet people have the loudest minds. Let me know in the comments down below if you know your personality type. I'm super curious to find out. And also which fragrance is your favorite for your most thoughtful moments. Wear what makes you happy, and I can't wait to see you next time.